Santa Cruz Speed Wheels Speed Freaks video was produced in 1988 by Tony Roberts. The skate industry was booming in 1989, and this was the biggest video released that year. The Speed Wheels team took riders from nearly every deck company and assembled an arsenal of riders that set new standards in skateboarding. TR's filming techniques and camera angles in this video would set the standard for the way skate videos would be filmed from this day forward. This was during the transition from film to video, and TR took full advantage of this new freedom to pull the trigger by letting it roll on every bit of action, skate or otherwise, they would encounter in the street. The video was edited, and the camera tapes went into storage and were eventually lost. On October 15, 2016, Tony received an Instagram message from a friend linking to an Instagram post by @LSBMarket. They had the original camera tapes and log sheets. Tony contacted them and bought back his tapes. This raw footage of the Speed Freak sessions has not been seen for 33 years, until today. TR is releasing the raw camera tapes in their entirety as a series of real skate stories. All the sessions, behind-the-scenes conversations and shenanigans, and historical footage that helped transform skateboarding to what it is today.
Speed